Hello and welcome to this My Tour Book tutorial, and in this video we're going to learn how to add and edit locations. So I'm going to click on the locations button here, and you can see all the previous locations that we imported from the spreadsheet in the last video, but I need to add some more. Let's say I'm going to add some more to this tour. So I'm going to click on add locations, and you can enter your new locations, one per line. So I'm going to do the Travel Lodge in Fulham, and let's say I want to add another airport, so I'm going to add in Gatwick Airport, and I'm going to click start import, and here we go, and it's found both of those, and you can see it's come up on the right hand side there with imported. So if I go to locations now, you can see we've got the Travel Lodge Fulham there, and we've also got Gatwick Airport there. Now it hasn't properly tagged the location type of the airport, so we can go to edit. This is how you can edit a location. So I'm going to click on airport here, or if you want to add your own, you can click on other and fill in that box there, but for now I'm just going to click save location, and it will save. So let's say we want to edit this location more. We could click on edit here, and I could fill in some different address information there, and then click look up location, and it will actually bring up a selection of locations. Let's say whatever you're typing in matches more than one place. You can select which one you want and then click select location, and it will find it again. It already found it, but just showing you how to do that should it not match the correct location. And then we click save location, and there we have it, Gatwick Airport listed as an airport. And that's now available to add to any of the days of the tour. Now the other way to add a location is directly in the editor. So let's say I wanted to add in a new location, London Bridge Station for example. And I'm going to say that is a train station, and I'm going to click add location. And there we have London Bridge train station in there. If I wanted to add something that wasn't already part of the list, I could click on other, and it would give you a nice box here that you could fill in with whatever description you want to add to the location, and that brings it up here. If you want to add a location to a day that's already been entered into the database, I'm going to get rid of that train station there. I'm going to click on choose location, and you can see this box opens here with all of the addresses. So I'm just going to select their train station, London Bridge, and that puts it into the day. And that is how to add and edit locations for your tour.